Hey guys, welcome back to Rakwal. In this video, we are going to cover the web protection policies and how we can block the website effectively for our office environment. So you just have to click on the add policies as we usually do. So let's go to the web control, select the web control, click on devices again and click on continue button. Yeah. So web control test, select the device and select the group as we always do on all of the various videos. Then go to the settings. So this is the new feature like the classic settings if you want to use, but I don't want to use classic settings. If something is new, we should go with the new features. So there is a specific version requirement for this specific setting. But yeah, the settings will use the new version. So choose the web profile. Either we can create the test new profile so it would be easy for you to understand as well. So what is your profile? So suppose get this specific feature from their firewall management. I have created one test, yeah, but I will create one more test too. Filter by category and filter by site. You can enable both. There is no issue with that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So the same way we used for the DNS protections, somehow it looks like the same UI, but yeah, there would be some difference like they are blocking at the DNS level and we are blocking at the web level, like whenever the traffic, like from the firewall. So there are multiple profiles which Sophos will help you to keep your business up and running, which is like keep it clean, optimal productivity, blog generative AI, conserve bandwidth, business only, a custom. In the custom, you can select like multiple things. Let's select the social engineering. Sorry, I mean social networking. These are the just categories. Okay. If you want to edit them, filter by the sites, create a new site list. Okay, we stick to the previous one only. Test two, filter by web category. Yeah, that is the only. I think I did it very early. Let me edit this specific profile. So probably here you will not able to do the categories wise things, but like for a specific website, but yeah, you will able to do these categories or maybe social networking. Same goes with the data loss, personal cloud storage, where we may have infrastructure, exclusion bandwidth. So let's test the features for the what is the feature? Okay, block generative AI. The same way we tested for the another video, we will use the same categories. Yeah. In this generative AI will be blocked. The test policies. So we have created the profile now. Come again here. Okay, we have to refresh the space as well. But we should have saved the profile. Okay, cool guys, no worries. Again, we are here. So just select the computers, select the groups again, and settings, web profile, choose which web profile you should use, and just click on test 2, log web control events, and risky file types, block it. If there is some file type which is risky, you suppose should block that file and save it. Let's just for a few seconds and then we will try to use ChatGPT or something which should be blocked. Let's see if it is working or it is blocked. Okay, suppose has blocked this file, the URL, the category, suppose endpoint, and which policies, web control policies. Same goes with the cloud. Yeah. So in the same way, you can use multiple categories. Either you can use web list as well, or either you can do the global exclusion as well. So in the same policy. So few website will be allowed and few will be blocked. You can completely customize this based on your requirement. So guys, thanks for watching the videos. We'll meet in next videos. Hopefully we will complete this course soon.